Today, we discovered a 1960 Dodge Lancer wagon abandoned in a storage shed. After disassembling it, we realized that the original engine wouldn't be able to handle the power we had in mind. So, we decided to search for a replacement and managed to find an iron block version at a local scrapyard. We spent a significant amount of time at the machine shop, meticulously preparing everything to ensure the engine could handle the extra power provided by the TorqueStorm supercharger. In the end, the results exceeded our expectations, and we hope you'll love it as much as we do. The next steps are installing the engine, firing it up, and measuring its performance on the dyno. Let's get to work and enjoy this exciting time lapse together.